Right. Yeah. In previous class, I explained about relation between special pair of angles. After that, I have given some points. When two lines are parallel lines, then interior angles are equal, exterior angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, interior angle add up to 180 degree. Up to now, this concept we have completed. Okay, now today I am going to explain application of the special pair of angles. Means in this application we will solve so many questions based on transversal line concept. Keep heading application of application of application of the special pairs of angles. Application of the special pairs of the angles. Application of the special pairs of angles. Application of the special pair of angles. Example first. Find the unknown angles. Find the unknown angles for the following figure. Find the known angles for the following figure. Find the known angles for the following figures. AB, CD, E. This angle is 77 degree. This angle is A. This angle is B. This is C. And this angle is D. Draw this figure, everyone. Concentrate here, everyone. Concentrate here. In this figure, you are observing, student, F shape, yeah, 7 shape. This angle is equal to C. 7 shape, yeah, F shape angle. I can say angle C is equal to 77 degree. Am I right? Angle C is equal to 77 angle. Which angle? What is the name of angle? corresponding angle. Comment is very, very important, student. Yesterday, so many students, they solve the question, but they are not mentioning the comment. Comment is very, very important, students, when we are writing the descriptive questions answer. Corresponding angles. If one angle we know means I can find out each and every one angle. Now angle C is opposite to which angle? Angle C is opposite to angle D, vertically opposite angle. Angle D is equal to angle C is equal to 77 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Yeah. Now how to find angle A and angle B? Very easy. Angle A and B, angle A and D both are forming linear pair angle. One angle is adjacent to the another angle, that is called linear pair angle. I can say A plus D is equal to 80 degree, or I can say B plus D is equal to also linear pair. B plus D also 180 degree. Both we can take either A plus D or B plus D. Both are forming linear pair angle. Both are forming linear pair angle. Depends on you, student, which angle you want to take. I am taking this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Here we'll write in the bracket what is the name of angle? Linear pair angle. Like that yesterday's question or yesterday's homework was there. Linear pair angles. Angle A I want to find out. I will write angle A as it is. And angle D already we got it 77 degree. Angle A as it is plus angle D is 77 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 77 degree. 10 minus 7, 3. Again, 7 minus 7, 0, 103 degree. Angle A has come 103 degree. If angle A is 103, can I say angle B also 103? Because angle A and B both are vertically opposite angle. Note down. Angle B is equal to angle A is equal to 103 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Or answer completed. Interesting question or not, student? But we need to think which property, which angle property we want to apply. Then only you can solve the question. Note down fast, friend. Example 2. For the given figure, example 2. For the given figure, find the known angles. Find the unknown angles. Find the unknown angles. Find the unknown angles. Sometime beta IIP is stucking. We are not writing spelling wrong. Sometime IIP will stuck. Network issue will be there. That letter will not appear. Okay. Find the given figure. Find the for the given figure. Find the unknown angles. Draw this figure. What is the value of x, student? What is the value of x? Vertically opposite angle. Now how to calculate z and y? Who will tell me what is the value of z? Rishita, how to calculate? Very good, beta. Right. Keep it up. Yeah. X is equal to solution. X is equal to 58 degree. Y. X and 58 both are opposite to each other. X is equal to 58 degree vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Now two ways are there. You are observing in this figure, it is forming Z shape. One more concept is there. It is forming F shape or 7 shape. F shape or 7 shape. It is forming F shape or 7 shape. Can I do this IIP? Observe here. 7 shape. 7 shape. X is equal to Z or 58 is equal to Z. Two ways are there. I can write here x is equal to, sorry, z is equal to x, z is equal to x is equal to 58 degree, y corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Now how to find y? If y plus z is equal to 180 degree, we can apply here linear pair angle concept. Y plus z is equal to 180 degree. On the bracket we'll write here linear pair angle. Linear pair angles. Y we want to find out. I will write y as it is. Z already we got it. 58 degree. is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 degree minus 58 degree. We want to do subtraction. 10 minus 8 to 7 minus 5 to 122 degree is the Y. I hope this is interesting question. Interesting question, student. Yeah, one more interesting question I am giving. Example 3. Find the known angle. Find the known angle. Example 3. Find the known angle. Find the unknown angles in the given figure. Find the known angles in the given figure. Anyone want to give answer? Raise your hand. She has given right answer. Very good. Yes. How to calculate? Concentrate here. Solution. 45 degree is opposite to x. 45 degree is opposite to x. The value of x is 45 degree. X is equal to, what is this? X is equal to 45 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Again, we are observing here how to calculate y. 45 and y, they are forming bracket shape, means co-interior angle or allied angle. 45 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. On the bracket note down, co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. Co-interior angles. Y plus quantity becomes minus 180 minus 45. Y is equal to 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 4, 3, 135. The value of y is 135. The value of x is 45. Example 4. Find x and y. 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 Draw this figure. Very simple question. X is opposite to 115. X is equal to 115 degree. Y vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. And how to find y? Y and 115 both are forming linear pair angle. Y plus 115. Y plus 115 is equal to 180 degree linear pair angle. That is straight angle. Linear pair angles. Y is equal to 180 degree minus 115. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 1, 6. Answer is 65 degree.